JK8669BD 2-UT Computerized Cylinder Bed Interlock Machine is the most advanced interlock sewing machine in the market. Efficiency, stable, and automation. Reliable, quality assurance. It is your best choice. JK8669BD 2-UT Computerized Cylinder Bed Interlock Machine. Good for heavy-duty adaptability. Presser foot height increased from 5mm to 6.2mm to further expand the sewing range. Break through the machine which only for thick or thin material. Gauze, thick denim, and other fabrics also can easily sew different, including basic sewing, hemming stitch, cover stitch, sewing table widening, and other functions. Can achieve a variety of sewing effects instead of many sets of ordinary machines. Normal interlock sewing machine with inside thread cam, inconvenient for threading and have winding disconnection problems, high frequency and difficult to solve problems. JK8669BD 2-UT Computerized Cylinder Bed Interlock Machine. Outmove thread cam, easy to threading. Solve the thread break easily. Maintenance no need to remove. Easy to use and efficiency. Normal interlock sewing machine use linear trimming system. Easy to lose and cannot trimming successfully sometimes. JK8669BD 2-UT Computerized Cylinder Bed Interlock Machine uses the most advanced thread trimmer structure, which is more stable and accurate trimming by using platen fixed trimming structure. For JK8669BD 2-UT Computerized Cylinder Bed Interlock Machine, perimeter is only 270mm. Shorter bed design, easy to feed. High efficiency. Normal interlock sewing machine's tooth rack is easy to get loose, but for JK8669BD 2-UT, the feed mechanism is combined with two-part, and the loosing problem can be totally solved. Easy to use and easy to assemble. JK8669BD 2-UT Cylinder Bed Computerized Interlock Sewing Machine uses 3-level of compulsive oil return system. No oil leakage from needle bar, feed bar, and looper bar. To make sure the high quality of products. JK8669BD 2-UT Computerized Cylinder Bed Interlock Machine. Machine covers fixing by magnet. Reduce the noise during vibration. Simple operation panel. Manual keyboard, trimming, presser foot lifter, up-down needle position. It's easy to operate by pressing keyboard. Convenient and efficiency. Jack Automatic Intelligent Production Line. The project total investment is 120 million RMB. It is the most advanced rigid flexible machine head production line in the sewing machine field. Testing strictly, durable, and reliable. Comprehensively make sure Jack machines with good quality. Jack China #1.